to the video, and we will make some slime. It's DIY slime, and first you need a spoon and shove it to the borax and put it in here and mix it. And now let's put some water in the bowl. And let's put all the glue here. Now let's put the food coloring. A tiny bit of drop. Here we go. And mix it. Put this cup that we fill with borax. Now let's mix it again. Wow, look! We are almost making slime. And check this out. So cool. Let's just use our hands and let's test it. If this works or not. Wow. This like green blood.
Green, that's blue.
Oh, I mean blue
Mix it.
blood. Let's mix it again. So, this is a DIY slime and my hand is blue. And I just clean my hand first, guys.